In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Shared with Me in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to Google Drive in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in. On the left sidebar, click on Shared with Me. This section shows all files shared with you, but it can't be organized into folders directly from here. To start organizing, find a file or folder you want to manage. Right-click on it, then select Organize, and click Add Shortcut. A window will appear where you can choose where to place it. Select My Drive, or pick a specific folder inside your drive where you want this shortcut to live. Then click Add. This creates a shortcut so you can organize shared files inside your own folder structure without moving the original file. Repeat this process for other important shared items, placing them into folders like shared projects or external docs to keep things organized. If you want your own separate version, right-click the file and choose Make a Copy. This creates a private file you can edit and move independently. You can also right-click a file, go to Organize, and choose Add to Starred to quickly access it later from the Starred section. To sort items faster, click the filter icon at the top right and organize by people or modified date. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.